last up, friends, we are going to take a look at, I would sure appreciate that. That would be so wonderful, Nancy, if you wouldn't mind. All right. Last one we're going to take a look at. This is the new PinkFresh collection. It is a holiday collection. It is called Holiday Dreams. Thank you so much, Nancy. I appreciate that. It is called Holiday Dreams. So 12 by 12 paper pack, stickers, a couple of different die cut packs. So let's take a look. I always love bringing in the PinkFresh holiday collections because they're just so pretty and they're very basic. And I like that they are basic. Sometimes we just need good, simple, basic, not like crazy, crazy patterns, right? And PinkFresh is always good for that. I love their consistency and their design. All right, let me open this. So the collection pack, or the paper pack, I guess I should say, has 12 by 12 double-sided papers. There we go. Wow, they don't want me getting in this, do they? Well, it's nice because then it's protected, right? It's protected. So it comes in a seal and then also in a bag. All right, so we have the cut apart cards, so the 4x6s and the 3x4s, and then actually a couple different shapes. I don't think any of those are 4x6s. That looks too big for a 4x6. That's certainly not a 3x4. Anyhow, that's your cut apart card. Backside, a nice neutral check. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna get distracted by the one underneath. The mistletoe with a red on the back. This green is called Christmas Tree. I love that so much. And then different colored holiday words. This little swag is called Deck the Halls. Beautiful, beautiful. I wish so much that they made a 6x8 pad, but they don't. Nice and on the backside. Holly Jolly, look how cute that is. That artwork is so pretty. So pretty. That's a beautiful, simple, kind of light green holly on the backside. Ornaments, this one's called Peace, Love, and Joy. Nice dark green. Ooh, that is fun, isn't it? With the kind of argyle pattern. And then this is a little bit more of like a wintry pattern under the tree. Nice mint plaid on the back. This one's called White Christmas, so kind of a light bluish with white, like white branches. Love that plaid, kind of that pink and tan. That's like pink and pony, like pink and Bella Boulevard pony color. Snow globes, so cute. Oh, I love that scallop on the back. Winter Wonderland, nice little wintry scene. It's a beautiful green with a matte. Those are matte gold hearts, no shine there. Love that one. Sweet Holiday. Super cute basic trees on the back. Oh, look how cute that village. That one's called Joy to the World. And then some snowflakes. Oh, Nick's home. So this is funny as I bring in more product. So I was gone Thursday through Sunday. Hi, honey. Nick left Sunday. He met me at my gate in the airport. He met me at the gate in the airport, walked him to his gate, and then I left. So we did a really quick, like 2 ships passing in the night. 2 ships passing in the night. Okay, well, it was not the night, it was the day, but you know what I mean. Okay, that was the paper pack, the 12 by 12 papers. Next up, let's take a look at the stickers. These are the cardstock stickers, the 6 by 12 cardstock sticker sheets. There are 2 6 by 12 sheets in this pack, and they are matte cardstock. There is one side. Beautiful colors, some traditional green and red, but then some alternates in there. Santa's on his way, so cute. A lot of the same artwork that we saw in the papers. And then that is the second sheet. I love all those different colorful word strips there. Try to do that. You can obviously see those in their entirety on the website. Melanie said, I like the paper almost a bit retro. Yes, a little bit, isn't it? These were fun. Now, I would not recommend using these inside your Traveler's Notebook pages, okay? I would not recommend using these inside the pages. You could use it on the cover. You could use it in your pockets. You definitely use these in your December documented or your December daily, your layouts, your cards, whatever. Just don't put them on the inside pages of your Traveler's Notebook because these are wood. So that's wood, wood. You have paper on top, or paper, the wood is holding the paper. But those are beautiful. Aren't those so fun with the wood accents? So they give you a little bit, that's probably about, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch. They're 1/8 of an inch thick. Aren't those so fun, just to give you a little bit of dimension in your projects? Those are the wood accent stickers. Thank you, Nancy. You're the best. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, then we have the Puffy stickers. The Puffy stickers, there are 34 in this little pack. That's a 5x7 sheet, but aren't those just so cute? There's something about PinkFresh and their holiday collections every year that I just love so much. I just love them. Like, look at that little guy, that little deer in the little wintry scene. Just so cute, so fun. Those are the puppies, and then let's look at the die cuts. So there are 3 die cut packs. There were also, I brought in their travel collection. There were also 3 die cut packs in the travel collection. These are called journaling bits. These are much taller than you would expect. So that little guy is a pocket. Oh my goodness. So this is very interesting. I will check with PinkFresh on this. I haven't opened the package yet, so I have not seen that. Hold on. I am going to check. I will actually take a look at the others that I have in inventory to see if they're all like this. But do you notice a problem there? There's a bit of a problem. It's a pocket, right? So unless I am not understanding this pocket, which I'm pretty sure I am, that bottom part of the pocket is upside down, right? The bottom part of the pocket is upside down, and you wouldn't do this. Carmen, what is a top tuck? I don't know what a top tuck is. Okay, interesting, because even look in there. There's even something in there. There's like a little, I don't know what a top tuck is, friends. What is a top tuck? Okay, I might have just learned something. I might have just learned something new. Let me do some research on that to find out if it's a top tuck or what the heck that is, because I don't know what a top tuck is. I may learn something. Anyhow, I'll get back to you. This guy is I know this is okay. This guy is a little envelope, okay? So cherish the moment. This part comes down, and then you use your little string to tie it closed. Then we have another pocket. Okay, another pocket. And then we have another tag with that nice metal hole. Another little pocket. Like, look how cute those little pockets are. Another tag with your little metal grommet. Another pocket. A little card. Oh, that's darling with the little scallop on top. Another little card. Another tag with metal. And then a couple of die cuts. All right. Yeah, I think so, right? Because Carmen, either one of them would be upside down. So it may just be this one. So I will, here's the deal. If it is just this one, then it will still remain on the website. If it's all of them, I'm going to pull these off of the website because I don't want someone getting that and then not being happy. So if you see them in the next couple of days still on the website, you know it's okay. If they're not there, then you know why. Okay, next up. Oh, and I will tell you what, I've worked for different manufacturers over the years, and that is just such a disappointment when that happens, because you proof and 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 you proof so many, you proof so many times, and inevitably when something like that happens, it's just such a shame. So I'll find out. All right, these are title ephemera. This is such a great pack. I love all the titles. Love all the titles, because we need title all the time. And these are great, again, any type of project that you are using, including your traveler's notebooks, like Santa approved. You could do a list about your favorite traditions relating to Santa. That could be Christmas list, home for Christmas. These are just so awesome. Cup of cheer. And I love that they have some artwork to them too, meaning like those pieces. And this part artwork as part of the title. And then you've got just really cute basic things like making spirits bright. There's some gold foil accents in this pack. But anyhow, that'll give you a good feel for the titles. Title ephemera, there are 40 pieces in there. So those will work on pretty much any type of project that you do. Love this one. Look at that with the red holly, or red holly, yeah. Red holly. All right, so those are the titles. And then last but not least, the regular ephemera, or your icons. Okay, so Dawn said the picture on PinkFresh Studio is the joy showing the correct way on the pocket, not upside down. Okay, thank you for looking at that. So we know it's not a topsy-turvy, upside down, top pocket, hot pocket, whatever. Oh, yeah. So hopefully it's just that one. Maybe I just had one bad pack. We'll see from there. All right, these are just your regular ephemera, but so cute. The North Pole, awesome. So this pack has 40 pieces in your ephemera. Cute. Anyhow, so that is the Holiday Dreams collection from PinkFresh. PinkFresh, have a sweet holiday. Have a sweet holiday. Do you believe it, you guys? It's almost November. It's crazy. Like, we're really talking Christmas. We're getting there, huh? Did you know that today it is 2 months, 60 days away from Christmas? Isn't that crazy?